सो मिसमाश वॉज एब्सोल्युटली क्रेजी क्योंकि शूट शुरू होने से पहले 2 दिन पहले मुझे आई गॉट अ कॉल, आई गॉट अ मैसेज फ्रॉम द कास्टिंग डायरेक्टर एंड सेड ये है, दिस इज़ द शो, दिट्स फॉर नेटफ्लिक्स, द डायरेक्टर सो एंड सो, द प्रोड्यूसर सो एंड सो, ऑल ऑफ दैट, और आप करेंगी क्या एंड ऑल दैट. सो आई सेड हाँ मुझे भेजो सिनॉप्सिस, स्टोरी, व्हाटएवर, एवरीथिंग. आई विल रीड द स्क्रिप्ट एंड लेट यू नो. आई रिमेंबर I traveled almost 20 hours and I had come from LA, and I was so jet lagged, but I came back in the night and I read the whole script that night only. In the morning the casting director called again and she was like, okay, so Abhi, now we are ready, you know, would you like to do it and all of that. So I said, हाँ, now tell me what the procedure is. मुझे लगा अभी 1 महीने बाद शुरू हो जाएगी ना, whatever, you know, they'll take time. He says, no, tomorrow we have to be on set. It's like that urgent. Everybody's already on set. And I'm thinking, what? And so there was no time to prep for the character and I was extremely nervous. जब मैं जोधपुर पहुंची, I remember मैं जब director आकर्ष सर से जब मिली and I was like, आपको, this girl was supposed to be a Hyderabadi, Zeenat Kareem is my character name. Zeenat was Hyderabadi and I said, मुझे अभी 24 hours के अंदर अगर मुझे nuances लाने हैं, language पकड़नी है या to behave like that, it's going to be impossible and it'll be like a caricature. तो वो मुझे करना नहीं है. ऐसे उसे मैं थोड़ा सा subdued और लखनवी बनाती हूँ. And then I just thought that, so every time मुझे कोई character मिलता है, I try and see कि उसमें क्या traits ला सकती हूँ मैं. So I think for me, Zeenat was extremely endearing. बहुत एक innocence है उसमें, even if she is older than all of them. बाकी सब 16-17 साल के बच्चे हैं उस स्कूल में, इस कॉलेज में, और and this one's obviously double their age. So I wanted to still get that innocence in this character, and and a little clumsy because, you know, she's trying to fit in with the rest of them. She is a complete misfit because, you know, she's from a different generation actually, and but still to put that, so she is a little clumsy. She's trying to find a way around, पर एक strength है उसमें क्योंकि अपना dream follow करने का, she's just taken that step at, you know, 30-40 years of age. You say, अच्छा ठीक है, मैं college जाऊँगी, मैं पढ़ूँगी, और जो मेरा जो छूटा था जब मैं you know इनके साथ उस उम्र में, वो अभी I'm going to try and see what I can do with it. And I think that is really the beauty of this character. And the best part is, I was talking to somebody from Netflix yesterday and she just told me, you know what, for me Zeenat is so warm and innocent, and I said, you know, I feel so good that you said these 2 words because these are the 2 that I had ticked, and I said this is the 2 things that I want for this character to come. And I was just really happy that I really hope that you guys like it. I had so much fun doing this because, like I said, sab log, they're almost new to acting, but they're all so spectacular. You know, there are a bunch of us, hum 8-9 jane hain, jo it is just so nice to work with them. और उनको, I think उन्होंने सब, they were quite young when जब चक दे release हुई होगी, और तब से they were like, oh my god, you're चक दे, विद्या शर्मा, India. तो you know वो भी था उनमें एक, that they were, I mean we've all seen fans and all that, but इतना close quarters में I've never really interacted with my fans as such, and this was quite amazing to see that वो एक फिल्म थी जिसने इतना बड़ा इम्पैक्ट किया लोगों के दिलों पर और माइंड्स पे, that people still remember it and remember us so fondly. So I think वो बहुत ही स्पेशल था. मुझे नहीं, I don't know, I haven't watched, but actually मैं TV बहुत कम देखती हूँ क्योंकि पता नहीं, मुझे टाइम ही नहीं मिलता. पर इस लॉकडाउन, मैं आपको बताऊं, इस लॉकडाउन में वन थिंग दैट हैज़ हैपेंड, पिछले 10 साल से एक बहुत ही बड़ा शो है, इंटरनेशनल शो कॉल्ड गेम ऑफ थ्रोन्स, जो सारे मेरे फ्रेंड्स देख चुके हैं. एवरीबडी इज़ लाइक, यू हैवंट सीन इट. इट्स लाइक, यू नो, शोले नहीं देखी तुमने, इट्स लाइक दैट, यू हैवंट सीन गेम ऑफ थ्रोन्स. सो द वन थिंग दैट आई सॉ दिस लॉकडाउन वॉज, मैंने गेम ऑफ थ्रोन्स पूरा सीजन 1 to season 10 देख लिया है. नाउ आई एम विथ इट. See.